Welcome to the Uni2Matrix registration tutorial mobile version. Ask the person who invited you to join the ecosystem for the link. You're going to click on this link. There, we'll enter a registration page. First, make sure that the username shown at the top is the same as the user who sent you the link. Now, let's proceed to fill out the form. First, username. Next, your first name. Then, your last name. Now, let's enter your email address. The Verify button will become available. Click the button and a validation code will be sent to your email. Let's go to your email. Could you please open the email? Copy the code. Where it says the verification code, please paste the code that you received. Set a password. Confirm the password. Important. The first password and the confirmation must be the same. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Join. Done. Now we have an account created in Uni2Matrix. Let's log in to our account. Enter your email and password. Click the Login button. And that's how you can successfully register in the Uni2Matrix ecosystem.